Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this video we will be learning how to change your password on DoorDash. To change password on DoorDash, open your DoorDash application on your mobile device and log into your account if necessary. Once you are in the home page of DoorDash, tap the Me button at the bottom right corner. Now from the Me menu, go ahead and look for a Settings option at the top and tap on it. Within the Settings menu, tap on the Manage Account button under Account Settings. Now, go ahead and tap on Change Your Password and then go ahead and enter your old password in the first tab, which means the current password you are using to log in. Simply write it down and then enter a new password for your account. Re-enter the new password in the last box exactly as it is, and finally tap on Change My Password. And after you do that, you will be able to change your password on the DoorDash account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I will see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.